Hey guys, welcome back to Review Radar. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Fortnite error code 122, which also relates to easy anti-cheat for Fortnite. So first of all, go ahead into your library, then in Fortnite, click on three dots, then click Manage, then click on this Open Install Location button. Okay, now in the root folder, go to Fortnite Game, Binaries, Windows 64. And now basically the fix here is going to be deleting certain files from our install location. So in this Win64 folder, you just want to delete these three folders right over here, BattleEye, this one, and Easy Anti-Cheat. And now then scroll down and also delete these four files right over here. So they have these blue icons, and after that you go into your Epic Games launcher once again, and then basically you need to verify your files. As you can see, my Fortnite game needs an update, so I'm currently missing this option because I need to update the game first. But in your case, just three dots, Manage, and there's going to be a Verify Files button over here. Just verify the files. It's going to check all the files, and then it will re-download the files that we have deleted. And everything should be working just fine, guys. Thank you for watching. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe. I will see you very soon in the next one.